Here's a script and concept for a video about the unknowns of the universe, blending both the awe-inspiring the scientific curiosity that drives humanity to explore. The video would be visually stunning, with beautiful space imagery and a narrative that evokes wonder and contemplation. Title: The Unknowns of the Universe, a journey into the infinite. Opening scene: the vastness of space, a slow-motion pan of the stars, planets, and galaxies. The camera moves out from a close-up of Earth, zooming out to reveal the Milky Way, and then into deeper, more distant space, where nebulae, black holes, and far-off galaxies are just tiny points of light. The universe? A vast, infinite expanse, stretching beyond our imagination. Its mysteries have fascinated humanity for millennia, yet the more we uncover, the more we realize how little we truly know. Scene 2, The Big Bang and the Birth of the Universe. A CGI recreation of the Big Bang, a flash of light expanding outward, creating galaxies and stars from a singular point. The camera zooms through nebulae, witnessing the birth of new stars. It all began 13.8 billion years ago, with an event that shaped everything we know today, the Big Bang. In an instant, all matter, energy, and time came into existence. From this singularity, the universe began to expand, giving birth to stars, galaxies, and the very fabric of space-time itself. The unseen forces of the universe. A diagram of the four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. The camera then shifts to a visual of a black hole bending light and time around it. We understand the forces that govern the universe: gravity, electromagnetism, and the forces at play within atoms themselves. Yet, even now, we are far from fully understanding their true nature. Why does gravity control the motion of planets, but bend and twist in the presence of massive objects, like black holes? What is the true force behind the dark energy that's accelerating the universe's expansion? Dark matter, the invisible majority. Images of galaxies and clusters of stars, with a faint glow of dark matter shown in a visual overlay. Graphs and equations showing the unexplainable mass of dark matter. We know that most of the universe is made up of something we cannot see. Dark matter. This invisible substance accounts for 27% of the universe's mass, yet we can only detect its presence through its gravitational influence. What is it? How does it interact with the rest of the cosmos? For now, the answers elude us. The mystery of black holes. A slow, mesmerizing zoom into a black hole, showing its accretion disk, the bending of light around its event horizon. A quick flash of a wormhole for a visual metaphor of space-time distortion. Then, there are black holes. These enigmatic objects bend space and time to the breaking point. Their gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. But even now, we don't fully understand what happens inside them. Is there a singularity at their center, or do they lead to another dimension, a gateway to a new universe? The possibility of parallel universes. A visual metaphor of multiple bubbles floating next to each other, each representing a different universe. One bubble bursts, showing a new universe forming. And then there's the theory of parallel universes, alternate realities, each with its own set of physical laws. What if, in another universe, the laws of physics are different? What if our universe is just one of many, part of a multiverse that stretches beyond the edges of our comprehension? Life beyond Earth. Footage of the surface of Mars, an artist's impression of an exoplanet in a habitable zone, a distant alien world with strange landscapes. Could we be alone in the universe? Or is life hiding somewhere in the vastness of space? Hundreds of billions of stars, each with its own planetary system, and yet, we've only just begun to search for signs of life. Could there be intelligent beings out there, just waiting to be discovered? The edge of the observable universe, a panoramic shot of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the farthest galaxies, and the edge of the observable universe. The universe is still expanding, and we can only observe a fraction of it. The observable universe extends some 93 billion light-years across. But what lies beyond this vast horizon? Will we ever reach the limits of space, or are we simply bound to explore a tiny fraction of the infinite? The future of exploration footage of futuristic space exploration concepts, colonizing Mars, space telescopes, humans in space suits walking on other planets, and advanced spacecraft traveling through deep space. Despite the unknowns, our desire to explore, to understand, drives us forward. From the landing of rovers on distant planets, to the launch of powerful telescopes peering into the farthest corners of the cosmos, humanity is reaching for the stars. What we discover next may change everything we know about the universe, and our place within it. A wide shot of a lone astronaut standing on the surface of a distant planet, staring at the stars above, contemplating the endless mysteries that await. As we look out into the stars, we are reminded of our insignificance, and yet, our boundless curiosity. The universe is vast, and its secrets are hidden just beyond our reach. But one thing is certain, the journey is far from over. The credits roll over the backdrop of a beautiful galaxy, with ambient music evoking a sense of wonder and contemplation. This video concept would be a captivating exploration of the unknowns of the universe, designed to spark curiosity and wonder about the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding.